together with the Vice Mayor, the members of Sangguniang Bayan, and municipal department heads. From the municipality of Manayan, we have Honorable Raymond D. Balataho, together with the Vice Mayor, the members of Sangguniang Bayan, and municipal department heads. From the municipality of Montevella, we have Honorable Henry D. Ubos, together with the Vice Mayor, members of Sangguniang Bayan, and municipal department heads. From the municipality of Sakinan, we have Honorable Jose O. Villanueva, together with the Vice Mayor, members of Sangguniang Bayan, and municipal department heads. From the municipality of Capas, we have Honorable Rex M.A.N. Alomar, together with the Vice Mayor, members of Sangguniang Bayan, and municipal department heads. We would like to recognize the presence of the School Division Superintendent of DepEd Capiz Division, Dr. Ruel F. Burnett. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, DepEd Rojas City Division, Adonis A. Monscat. SUC President P of Capiz Lake University Main Campus, Efren L. P. President, Philmer Christian University, Dr. George O. Cornell. President, Chancellor, College of St. John Romas, Dr. Consolacion A. Beck. President, Caritas Foundation Incorporated, and CEO, Pueblo de Panay Incorporated, Jose Mary O. We would like to request all the municipal mayors and our city mayor to have our photo opportunity. Acknowledging also the presence of the President, Candy Sarahan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Antonio Rex Chan. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Commander of 3rd Infantry Division, Philippine Army, Michael G. Samson, represented by Mel Richard E. Padre. Also, the Provincial Director of Capiz Police Provincial Office, Albert D. Tapula. We would like to acknowledge the Information Center Manager, Philippine Information Agency, Alex A. Lumake. Provincial Director, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, Joel M. Delegasio. Once again, we would like to request all the municipal mayors and our city mayor to please proceed at the front for our photo opportunity. Capiz Provincial S&T Director, Department of Science and Technology, Wate M. Alvarez. We would like also to extend our appreciation to the Capiz Provincial Government Department heads, heads of offices, and chief of hospitals, together with their personnel or employees for participating in this opening. Once again, we would like to request all the municipal mayors and vice mayors and the SB members to please proceed at the front for our photo opportunity. Again, requesting all the vice mayors and members of Sangguniang Bayan to please proceed at front for our photo opportunity. We would also like to acknowledge the Provincial Agrarian Reform Program Officer 2 of the Department of Agrarian Reform Provincial Office Counties, Alola P. Advance. Acknowledging the President of Sigma Island Foundation for Culture and Arts Incorporated, Dr. Leo Jude Roman. Acknowledging the Provincial Director of the Department of Trade and Industry, Marian A. Adams. Acknowledging the presence of FM1, Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, Rogelio J. Ububalwa Jr., represented by Jeffrey D. De La Cruz. Acknowledging the presence of Associate Provincial Prosecutor's Office, Attorney Christopher George F. Colon. Once again, requesting all the vice mayors of our municipal local government units and members of Sangguniang Bayan to please proceed at front for our photo.
Galing lakot na.
Once again,
Ay,
requesting
ang iba naka-steady na mo, naka-standby na yan. Naginulat. Ay, tapos nilakta naman sa pago.
requesting also all our vice mayors to please
Ay, tugangan ba dito yung sa piyak? Sige, mga taga-dipit, sige man sa piyak. Mayor. Darte.
Lastly, we would like to request the representatives from the Department of Education to please proceed at front for the Once again, requesting all the representatives from the Department of Education to please proceed at front for the photo portion. For the information to our public officials and distinguished guests, the Capiz Provincial Traffic has prepared simple snacks for this event. You may proceed at the lobby of our new Capiz Provincial Company. Once again, requesting the representatives from the Department of Education and Capiz State University to please proceed at front for the photo opportunity.
Lakot na. May tourism officer, may mga taga-dipit.
Malag!
Acknowledging the presence of people innovation of Capiz, headed by Honorable Gruber Daniels. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of the Provincial Director, Airport Manager, Food Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, Juanito E. and Chico Jr. Once again, for the information of our provincial festival of Master Air Assembly Snack at the lobby of our new practice provincial crest. You may proceed there after our. Once again, we would like to encourage
Lakot na ni guys, nga mga video anay picture no. Lakot ng mga tawo nga nakaposisyon sa likod asang aton tinalaga nga gobernador kag first congressman, first district congressman kag second district congressman with the vice governor nila. Lakot na ang mga nagapa-picture, nagapa-video. Sa piyak no, may mga taga-deped dari man no, may ari man mga taga-deped man sa piyak sa left side no. Bisig-masig na lang sang pagpa-video, pagpa-picture
acknowledging the presence of the
para lang makaposisyon.
Bureau of Fire Protection Practice, Leland M.
Sige.
Acting City Fire Marshal, Bureau of
Dito,
Fire
pwede na
Protection
tapos.
City, Arlen J. Redondo.
Kasatali pa kami daw. Tay, tapos na. Malakat na si Gogo. Off na.
So sabong guys no, diri na nagtakop ang programa after sa picture kag pag video sang mga nagaklain lain nga mga munisipyo kabanwahanan kag sang ilang mga officials kasubong man sang mga taga DepEd officials, DepEd heads no. Isa na nga aton kasiman mga taga Mambusawari man diri nakita man naton kay ina. Ari guys no, ari pa mga tawo nagapabilin para maglantaw pa no, obserba pa kung ano pang pwede diri makita, ano pang pwede mahimo sa sining pag opening flag raising sa munisipyo. Okay. So muna guys no, makita naton si Mayor Buko Castro ara makita naton nagapa picture no. Sa iya mga official sa banwasang dumalag. Ari, no, nakatutok kita.
Para sa highlights ng ating kapistahan 2026, karon sa hapon, alas 4, may araw kita sa Saon Capis. Capis Hall Folk Dance Competition Year 6.
Ari guys, no, kada po sa mga tao na nagpapatid. Aton mga PNP, ari man, no, nagpapatid.
Sa